Hi, check out this NTONPOWER Surge Protection Power Strip. It comes in this nice bag. You can see it's got this nice block here. This has 8 AC outlets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 3 USB ports here, 2 A ports and 1 C port. It also has an on and off power strip on the side. So you can plug so many things into this and just make it work for you. It also has an added bonus of a mounting option on the back. And it comes with 2 screws so that you have everything you need to mount it yourself, which is a nice option. The power strip or the extension cord is so long. It can be anywhere from 15 to 25 feet, and it has an added bonus of a flat plug-in outlet. Isn't that awesome? You can really save space and not worry about if it's gonna fit behind whatever you're trying to plug it into. The extension cord is also very thin, which is really nice and easy to hide. This is perfect for your office, for your bedroom, plugging in like your side lamp, your phone, your watch charger, all those many things that you have to plug in. Perfect for your office. Here I'll show you, I'm going to be plugging in my printer, my monitor, my laptop, my phone charger, all of those things easily plugged right into here. Let me show you. Something else that's really nice about this is how far away the different outlets are, because you can use something like these big block chargers with no problem fitting. Okay, so we've got all our things plugged in. Actually, I have one more. All my things plugged in for my office. Something else that's really great about this is that it has 1080 joules surge protection and overload shut off, which is amazing because you never want to lose all of your expensive equipment that you have plugged into this. Something that's kind of annoying about this room is that there's no outlet along this wall behind near the desk. So I actually have to use the outlet over here if I want to leave the desk in this position. So this cord is perfect because it's very discreet and it fits all the way around. So you can see I can fit it all the way around the room and still have the option to be able to mount this behind the desk, which is perfect. So I want to thank NTONPOWER for sending me this power strip to check out. And if you're looking for one, check this one out.